Well, I don't know what kind of head injury I would need to have to not want Taylor in a movie, in anything.
Taylor Swift has joined the excitement surrounding the upcoming release of Deadpool and Wolverine. The pop superstar took to Instagram on July 25 to share her enthusiasm for the film, showcasing her support for its stars Ryan Reynolds and Hugh Jackman, as well as the film's director, Sean Levy. In an Instagram story, Swift, 34, posted a photo of herself alongside Reynolds, Jackman, Reynolds' wife Blake Lively, and Levy. Her caption was filled with admiration and humor, reflecting her close bond with the film's cast and crew. Over the past few years, I have watched one of my best friends on this planet pour every bit of his heart, soul, sweat, time, energy, jokes, pain, joy, rebellion, darkness, and magic into this film, Swift wrote, referring to Reynolds. He's created the best work of his life, and this film feels like an actual joy portal, a wild escape from reality, and an abs sandwich. I don't know how he did it. Swift added a playful twist, poking fun at the long-standing friendship and playful rivalry between Reynolds and Jackman. But that's just Hugh for you, she quipped. These other randoms crashed the photo and we were too polite to ask them to leave. The Cruel Summer singer encouraged her followers to buy tickets for the film's release on July 26, humorously shouting out Reynolds' character, Wade Wilson. Shout out to Wade Wilson, aka my godkid's sperm donor, she concluded. Swift's relationship with Reynolds and Lively goes back many years, with their friendship only deepening over time. Her connection to Jackman and Levy grew in 2023 when the Deadpool and Wolverine team joined Swift and Lively at an NFL game to support Swift's boyfriend, Kansas City Chiefs player Travis Kelce. Rumors had swirled earlier this year that Swift might make a cameo in Deadpool and Wolverine. These speculations were fueled by the film's marketing, which included posters showing Reynolds and Jackman's characters wearing friendship bracelets, reminiscent of those seen at Swift's Eras Tour concerts. However, Entertainment Weekly confirmed in June that Swift does not appear in the film. Reynolds and Jackman have previously spoken about their friendship with Swift. During a promotional interview for Heineken Silver's new Deadpool and Wolverine-themed ads, Reynolds described Swift as a fun person to have a beer with, adding humorously, "Well, if you get access to outside information once you leave the bomb shelter you'll understand. Huge politician, and one of the funnier people. People keep asking if she's in the movie, and I keep saying if there's ever someone else to play Deadpool, I think it might actually be Taylor." As anticipation builds for Deadpool and Wolverine, Swift's endorsement adds a delightful layer of celebrity camaraderie to the film's release. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you excited about the new Deadpool and Wolverine movie? Do you think Taylor Swift would make a good Deadpool? Let us know in the comments below.